Bull sharks prefer their family. New research reveals bull sharks show a slight preference for spending time with relatives. This finding offers a glimpse into their social structures, highlighting unexpected family bonds in the ocean's apex predators. Aussie Microbes flavor unique chocolate. Australian-grown chocolate may gain a global edge thanks to unique microbes. Research shows the cocoa fermentation process, influenced by local microbes, plays a bigger role in flavor than the cocoa tree itself. Delicious science. Real spider silk, nature's superpower. Spider-Man's organic web slinging in new films highlights real spider silk's spectacular properties. This biological marvel, far superior to synthetic materials, showcases nature's incredible engineering. What a feat! Bioenergy grasses rebuild soil carbon. Decades of maize farming halved Midwest soil carbon. Now, perennial bioenergy grasses are stepping in. These plants can help reverse soil organic carbon deficits, restoring vital fertility and fighting climate change. Soil fertility and tropical forests. A new study explores how soil fertility impacts tropical forests and their resilience to global change. Understanding this balance is crucial for protecting these vital ecosystems and their immense biodiversity.